Bia Kamal ka Nur Online TV channel. Wuda nen yana me wudin mi sha ngap re wacce kasa Sudan ka dwer min shalat agenda na bana ling ka jan gwasa me kan kono re de gore je enu de ya laro mi jira min didit ka Nur Online TV channel gore je no jindere subscribe ki de je nyoga nasin ko ken. Gwaye tejan yam dara gwano de randi jangap kan kono re la kaname. Gwayano de randi jangap. No modern wokane dialo kondi lianga roche me ano eno de ran ngap der gwa ka kwidur ka mishalat gwa ya wanaten gwa da me shalan no shawut ngap kan wagde ko she dwer mi di te jala tere wacce ka South Sudan en guden mo ke guden sha ngap jen te karun ti jan ngwan widaraw la runa ti karun dab kada jen chi wut South Sudan dungdo e wut Sudan jen shenga kel ka jang re wich ka waw sen ka waw jen wa te ka wil jen gwaza da anan te tene jen gwaza changa wuda me jen chaji yen ne ka ron kin dangro jen dangro widaro ron kin raw wida jen dangro widaro me chaji yen ke dwer mishalat en dwere shalat gwasa me jen cha toch ka gat mite ka run dang diech karodien cha gan mutot ke gan nyal en gadamo gan nyal gan nyal mo ku yelong te kurun die karodien chimnen yen mo gwasa me chuda me cha gan nyal mo cha jatwach to ja gan nyal gwad dan tetin re dwar dan tetin ko te darut ko muda dien wudan te dore e wud Sudan ba ano she wud South Sudanese me chaji yen wini mi karon kin dangro jen dangro widero ke ku gan nyale cha twaj man kulari gene gan nyala toro mo mtegrun dang die jo che je twaj ka shwe janak cha gan nyala toro mo che janak an gwata mo shwe je yor shwe ring de yor ka toilet ala che yor ka mam dine da ne shalat alo she dwer mi dire long che jalat an gwasa mo me chaje kef chwa chu yen jen dobe da ne shiryak mo che tuogo je me chaje yeno cherten garun dangro ke run jok ka jaron kin dangro jen dangro de dieje me che togo no shawude me cha jangap ko dwara la family nyam to de garun dang dieje me cha ka pinye jen wude mo che kan wutel mo dien mo gone garo ba wude mo ba janak cha wud Sudan mo ta de chunak rete jian ka wa central prison yen gwa dan na geten alo chala do ne me dere chalat a der mi shomna liya ko de ngap ni cha chu ngap ajen ne ka dan cha ne gudu mone mena je guch kaji guje de en wo ba wudu mo ba janak ka kwidur ka manana chalat you know kon gat cha toy ke je gam to rundang diech an gwasa mo ka shwering le chuje yak ramete dore wa chona no be wudu be je defend you know chona no be wudu me be je defend lo gwe jan wudu me tar dur mi chalat ta dor je no wudu me che dur che jalat ka ko run dang de koti an wuri danan ku wuri mo defan dol jalaba jan kana nek duno cha mu ka run dang de ti batre ti jana ka cha nang ni gar danan cha gu jino janna gar mu tawdan jan do danan manaka je ka je tama bine guch ngai ke je di no jana gar mu tawda ka cha ganto cha yakre ya re ya mamka no eye witness ne te na ka gator mo te tin ka ngane te lado shigara me cha nyal che de twai ka che yak kam kulu tuong jen wo cha ka je ka na me je nan chor la cha wude me cha janak ano ka dwer dan cha la do cha je ka je chole Sabir Abdalla cha gan mutot mshala njala buglwal te de twaj ka cho janak ajanda nan ngap ka je ka janda nan nakaja re wich ka South Sudan ka waw ke ka wil kwada dan che dwer mo che laten janta danan ci cha ngot cha ga yor pinga je chala do ngodo totin cha wudume cha prosecute ke je wa ko ngot go ko jen adwer me chalat ano cha de paleka Benjamin kwen gwasa me ka do danan cha kwen ke je a Sudanese trader who was convicted of defiling, murdering, and dumping the body of 5-year-old Abu Lual into a pit latrine in Awil in 2022 was executed by hanging on Wednesday at Wow Central Prison. Abu Sam, 42 years old, was executed at approximately 2 p.m. South Sudan time. The execution was carried out in the presence of the Northern Bahr Ghazal State Governor Simon Mawood alongside victims' parents and officials from South Sudan Judiciary. Defense lawyer Garanga Kok Madin confirmed the execution, saying justice was done. Today we want to assure the general public of South Sudan and Northern Bahr Ghazal in particular that the case of the late Abu has been closed. The criminal Sabir Abdalla Abu Sam has been executed after spending 5 years in prison, say Madin. The conviction of Abu Sam was implemented today at 2 p.m. in the presence of the governor, the late Abu Lual parents, and an uncle. Justice has been achieved, he said. The State Information Minister Gabriel Deng Yil also welcomed the move, saying the law of South Sudan does not allow crime to go unpunished. Our main purpose of coming to war was to witness the execution of Sabir Abdalla, the man who defiled our young angel Abu Lual, say Yil. The Republic of South Sudan law has made it clear that any crime does not go unpunished. Though there was some doubt that the culprit may escape, the execution has proved that we are working according to the law, he said. The state coordinator for the Community Empower for Progress organization, Stephen Musa Robo, welcomed the justice, describing it as a lesson to perpetrators. The country has a justice system, and justice takes its course. It is a lesson to all the perpetrators. We welcome the executions, say Rabo. The family of the late Abu Lual appreciate the governor for his efforts and engagement with the authorities to ensure the justice was served. Abu Sam was sentenced to death by hanging in June 2022 by the Awil High Court after he was found guilty of murdering the girl. The Court of Appeal in South Sudan, Western Bahr Ghazal State in May 2022 affirmed the death sentence. Sabir was arrested on May 5, 2022 in the Ayuang residential area in Awil following public demonstration after the gruesome murder. Jentada and Chawuda Mo Chajanakaja and a Menshalian. Ajilera de Nyakel and a Gatagal Mal bye bye.